Hi, I'm Hunter from Cardio Partners. I want to show you how to replace the batteries in your ZOLL AED Plus. You'll need a few things before you start. You will need 10 lithium 123 AAA batteries and a flathead screwdriver. Let's get started. First, flip the unit over so you can see the back, and then look for the two slots on the bottom of the unit. Slide your screwdriver into each slot and then push in and up to release the clip. Place your screwdriver into the slot above and push down. The battery cover will then come off. If there are old batteries in the unit, you can remove them in no particular order, but please be sure to dispose of them properly. This next step is important. We're going to replace the batteries starting with the left side going from top to bottom. We will do the same thing on the right side, and then finally, we will replace the two in the middle. When all the batteries are in, your unit will prompt you to press the button above the center battery. Pressing this button tells your unit that the new batteries have been installed. Now it's time to put the battery cover back on. Slide the cover into the grooves and press down until you hear a click. Flip the unit over and ensure the status indicator is showing a green check mark. Now your AED is ready for a sudden cardiac arrest emergency. Thanks for watching.